Direct mail marketing, how to make it work in a digital world. Online marketing's surge has overshadowed direct mail marketing, painting it as outdated and ineffective. This misconception is unfortunate. Direct mail boasts a 4.4% response rate, significantly higher than email marketing's 0.12%. So why do many companies avoid direct mail? Misconceptions about direct mail drive companies away. Let's debunk these myths and explore how to profit from direct mail in today's market. Contrary to belief, direct mail isn't too expensive to be profitable. While there are printing and postage costs, online marketing also incurs delivery costs and is vulnerable to algorithm changes. USPS is reliable, and technological advancements have reduced direct mail costs and turnaround times. This makes direct mail as profitable, if not more, than online marketing due to its high response rates. Another myth is that a lack of mailing addresses makes direct mail impossible. Most leads today are generated online, typically without physical addresses. However, converting email addresses or phone numbers into mailing addresses is easy with batch append services or contact information APIs. This allows businesses to build direct mail lists quickly without impacting lead generation. In reality, objections to direct mail are unfounded and businesses are missing out on significant revenue. Direct mail won't replace online marketing. Both are essential. Direct mail can reach audiences that digital marketing can't, like those who don't use social media or seldom check emails. Physical mail reliably shows up, increasing the chance of engagement with new customer segments. People save mailers, placing them in visible spots like coffee tables, which ensures repeated exposure. Conversely, saved emails can be easily forgotten. Direct mail faces less competition. A limited number of mail pieces daily contrasts with the overwhelming volume of daily emails, making direct mail more noticeable. However, effective direct mail marketing requires best practices. Personalize your mailers, including the address, salutation, and body copy. On-demand printing allows for personalization based on browsing behavior and marketing triggers, increasing relevance. Crafting an appropriate call to action, CTA, is crucial. Unlike digital platforms where a click is immediate, direct mail might require a different action, like visiting a website later. Always include a CTA that suits the direct mail context. Lastly, integrate direct mail with your online marketing. Direct mail should funnel prospects to your digital assets, enhancing both channels' ROI. This synergy maximizes the value from direct mail and boosts overall marketing performance. In conclusion, direct mail remains a potent marketing tool. With fewer businesses using it, now is an opportune time to adopt direct mail. Begin by acquiring mailing addresses and inject creativity into your campaigns. Direct mail can be a powerful revenue generator for your business. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.